Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you probably have noticed, behind me looks a little bit different. I just wanted to be a little bit festive. Valentine's Day is coming around the corner and I thought it'd be cute to just change it up every time like a holiday comes. I think it'd be really fun. I personally am like obsessed with this. I'm still waiting for my calendar to come in. It's probably gonna get delivered today, so we'll put a calendar here very soon. I cannot wait. I hope that you guys enjoy my little background, but let's get into the point of today's video. I'm going to be doing a review, demo, first impression on the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collection, which looks super cute with my background matching. So this is the PR box that they sent over. I haven't played with anything. I haven't swatched anything. Ooh, it looks like I'm in some type of whimsical fairyland. Okay, so this is what the PR box looks like, and when you open it up, those are the products inside. You have 2 eyeshadow palettes, a highlighter palette, and 3 lipsticks. I have to say, I'm obsessed with the packaging and the aesthetics of the whole collection. It's super fun and cute. I like that they did something a little bit different. So let's get into some of these products. I'm gonna start off with the highlighter palette first since we've got no glow on this face. This is called the Beauty Beam Highlight Palette. This is what it looks like inside. Again, really cool. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. You have a trio, but they're not like separated. It's kind of like one highlighter but 3 different colors. I think I'm going to swatch each one on my finger and then I guess we'll see what we'll put on our face, or maybe I'll mix all of them. I'm gonna go in there with my fingers. Ooh. So those are the highlighters swatched on the back of my hand. For the most part, they should go with my skin. I feel like this bottom one by itself may look a little bit dark, but I'm gonna see what happens when I mix them all together. I'm gonna use this brush from Morphe's, the M510. I've been using this a lot for my highlighters lately, and I really like it. I'm just gonna go back and forth, pick up a little bit of each, tap it out, and let's apply this baby. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. So the formula, it's not chunky and it doesn't have like glitter flecks in it, so it's gonna give you a very luminous, very wet look highlighter instead of like sparkly, which I really like. I love highlighters like this. It blends out like a dream, and it's not emphasizing like my pores or anything. Do you see that? Wow, that is gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. I'm basically gonna slowly swim in this all over my face. I'm gonna need a little bit of self-control right now. Obsessed. This is definitely something I'm gonna be reaching for a lot. I just love the way it looks on my skin. Oh yes, I wasn't expecting any less than this, but I'm like pleasantly surprised and happy with it. Urban Decay does make one of my favorite highlighters. It's called Sin, and I love that highlighter so freaking much. So yay for the highlighter. Let's move on to some eyeshadow. There are 2 eyeshadow palettes in this collection. First up, we have the Kaleidoscope Dream eyeshadow palette, and this has like the really bright, bold, colorful shadows. And then you have the Daydream, which is more of like that neutral everyday palette, what I really like. I do not mind me a neutral palette. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open these up really quick. This is the Daydream palette, and I'm probably gonna say this 100 times, but I freaking love the packaging so much. Look how pretty that is. And I really like the colors in here. Definitely shades that I can see myself reaching for on a daily basis. And then we have the Kaleidoscope Dream palette. You open it up, and those are the shades inside. Ooh. This is gonna be really fun. I guess we're gonna try to do a really bright, bold, colorful look today. I have no idea what I'm gonna create, but I definitely want to do something crazy. I have absolutely no clue what look I'm gonna create. I need like a little bit of a brainstorming moment with my coffee. So uno momento, let me process this real quick. I think I'm gonna start off with the Daydream palette and kind of build up my crease and then add my bright bold colors later. So I'm gonna take the shade Daydream first and I'm gonna pop that into my crease. I really want to use as many colors as I possibly can, but I also want to make this look wearable. I cannot get over this highlighter. Like, I'm actually so obsessed. I can't stop looking at myself. I'm gonna take a mixture of 1212 and Subscribe, and I'm also gonna put that into my crease. I'm gonna take a mixture of Subscribe and 8, and I'm going to smudge this on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of 8 and pop this into my crease, but not too much, just to kind of like deepen it up just a little bit. I'm loving this palette. Everything is just blending so nicely into each other. I will definitely be using this a lot. 100%. Okay, and for the sake of using all the shadows in here, I'm going to take Lucy, which is just a really soft neutral shade, and this is going to go under my brow bone. You guys know I always start with that. I don't know why I forgot this time. There we have all the eyeshadows in the Daydream palette on my eyes. I really like this. This is definitely a look I would just wear out and about. But we're about to turn the volume up a little bit and add some colors. Ooh, still don't know what I'm doing, but we'll make some magic happen. Okay, I'm gonna take this orange shade. It's called Tajin, and I'm going to put this into my crease, kind of make it a little bit more vibrant. I'm gonna take a really small amount. My hair looks crazy. I really like the brushes it comes with. It's so soft and it just blended it with ease. Look how cool that is. I'm gonna swatch Corona and Stay Gold because I kind of want to put a really pretty, ooh. Those are so freaking pretty. So this one is Corona and this is Stay Gold. Ooh, but I probably should steer away from like the neutrals. Like you can see me wanting to use these colors, but we're gonna have to use something else instead. I don't know if this is gonna match, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna take the shade Dye, which is a really deep purple shade, and I'm gonna start packing this on the outer parts of my lids. As I'm applying, I'm going in and blending out the edges a little, just so I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna take the shade Spitfire, which is this really pretty metallic fuchsia, and that's gonna go on the rest of my lid. Ooh, that is pretty. And when you bring it over the purple a little bit, it kind of has like this, it just changes the purple completely. It gives it like a shift. I don't remember the last time I've played with colors like this, so I'm really excited about this. There are two shades in here called Leo and Brixon, which are the names of her dog and her bunny, but these two shades in particular are really interesting. Let me swatch them. They're kind of like a transformer shade where you can put these on top of anything. You can wear them by itself, but they are just kind of like pearlescent duochrome, and whatever you put it on top of, oh my god, look how beautiful they are. Holy, I'm cracking up because I said holy and then my camera just like shut off, which was really weird and funny. It didn't want me to continue my sentence, but like I was saying, wow, holy moly. I'm gonna take this top one, which I believe was Brixton. I think I'm gonna pop that on the inner parts of my eye and kind of bring it up into that pink a little bit. We'll see, we're playing around. Righty, so we're just gonna put that right in there. Oh my god. By the way, I'm using all of these eyeshadows dry. I haven't wet my brush. I generally don't always wet my eyeshadows unless it's like really necessary for me to make that color pop, but for the most part I usually don't wet my shadows, and I do not think these needed. Obviously these are the type of colors if you did apply wet they'd be like whoa, way more intense, but I am quite pleased with the way everything is coming out right now, so I feel like I don't need it. I really hope the camera is picking up how freaking cool this looks. I think I'm gonna take a little bit on my brow bone, just a little bit, because the stuff is quite intense. Kind of has like this really cool baby blue shift too, which I really like. Just a little bit. Oh, this is so cool. I've been dying to use this color. It's called Lime Time, and it's just like this really pretty bright lime green shade. I haven't used a color like this ever. I don't know. Have I? So I'm gonna take it on the little brush, and I'm going to kind of, I know I've already put like a darker shade down there, so it might not come out as bright, but I'm just going to smudge this on my lower lash line. It's always hard to film this part because I either can't look in the mirror or you guys can't see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna, for a moment, give me a second here. Oh yeah, you can still see it. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to take the tiniest amount of this black, which is a matte black. It's called the 13th Floor. I have a feeling it's gonna be really pigmented, so I'm gonna take a really small amount, and I'm just going to a little bit build up some darkness in the crease just to blend that purple and orange a little bit better together. Hopefully this doesn't mess up my look. It's like a moment of silence here. I like to lay down the black first, kind of blend it out a little bit, and then I take like a more like fluffy clean brush and I use that to blend the rest out, just so it's like a little bit easier for me. I like it. Not a complete fail. I'm gonna take the shade, I think I'll take this lighter blue. What is it called? LCW. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, I am pretty proud of myself because I thought I was only gonna use a couple shades, but I fit a lot of colors on my eye and I'm obsessed with the way it came out. It's so pretty and it's definitely wearable. I know not for everybody, but I would wear this out. Why not? I might actually start incorporating more color in my looks because it's beautiful and you can't be scared. You can't be scared. But anyway, so this is the eyes. Let me throw on some mascara and then we'll get up close and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the finished eye look up close. I freaking love all of these shadows. They blended out so nicely and so effortlessly. Honestly, it was a bit overwhelming at first, but I really love this palette a lot. So my thoughts on the palettes, love. I think they're both really, really nice. This one, of course, has like the more neutral shades. They blended out so nicely and it just creates the most beautiful soft eye look. You can even do something a little bit more dramatic. You can put the shade 8, this darkest brown, all over your lid and just smoke it out with the lighter colors. You can do a lot with this palette. I definitely see myself reaching for it and using it like on a daily basis. But I have to say, this Kaleidoscope Dream palette, oh my god. I didn't think I would love it as much as I do because when you look at it, you're just like, okay, what am I supposed to do with that? Because there's just so many bright colors and it's a little overwhelming and intimidating. But honestly, you could create so many different looks with this. You do have a bronze and a golden shade that you can pair with a lot of neutral looks, but you also have a lot of pops of colors that you can add to neutral looks. You don't have to use all the colors together, but if you do, honestly, like look how beautiful this eye look came out. I'm really, really happy that I have this in my collection. A lot. Last thing is the lips. We have three lipsticks to test out. I'm going crazy. So let's do that. Okay, Jess, okay. Gotta get a quick little sip of coffee before I put some lipstick on. When I say sip, I mean like a full-on chug. So this is the box that the lipstick comes in and it's so pretty and mesmerizing. Like, I love that. Inside of the box has like the same little flower print that, oh my god, it's just so freaking cute. I love the little touches. This is the actual lipstick. It has a bright pink cap and when you open it up, first of all, it has a little heart. I'll do close-ups, but there's a little heart that says Kristen Leanne there. I think that's so cute. Imagine having your name on a lipstick. That's like my dream come true. One day, guys, one day there will be Jesi on a lipstick. So this is one of the lipsticks and this is in the shade Spellbound, which is a mega matte. And then we have the shade Cloud 9, which is a comfort matte shade. The last one is called Bun Bun and this is a comfort matte. We all know which lipstick shade is gonna be Jess's favorite. Definitely this one, but since I know I wanna wear this with this look, I'm gonna leave this till last. I'm gonna go backwards and try the darkest ones first and then end up with this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all the lipsticks really quick. I'm just really scared to put this color on without a lip liner. Hopefully I don't make a mistake and make a mess of my face, so let's go for it. Not my best application, I do have to say, but whoa, this color is so, so cool. You can tell the formula. It doesn't tug, but it's a little harder to apply. It's not as creamy as a lot of lipsticks, but once you have it on, it's very, very comfortable. You don't feel like it's sucking all the moisture out of your lips. It feels actually very nice on the lips, I'm not gonna lie. The color is really cool. It almost looks black, but it's like a really, really deep blackened plum shade, and I really like it a lot. Not a color I always wear and actually kind of looks cool with the look. So now we have Cloud 9. This was a comfort matte. It's kind of like Barney purple but a little bit darker, so let's try on Cloud 9. Oh wow, yeah, this is definitely giving me Barney vibes. That was Cloud 9. Although it kind of looks cool with the eye look, I think it's a little bit too much, so we're gonna put on the very last one. The shade is really interesting because it's not your typical nude. It kind of has like this taupey gray nude situation happening. Like, I have to really try it on my lips to tell. I'm very interested to see how this looks, so let's try on Bun Bun. So this is what Bun Bun looks like on me. I'm like really into this. It's kind of giving me like 90s grunge vibes, which I'm very into. I feel like this shade would look very nice on a lot of different skin tones, so I don't know, and it went on so, oh my god, these feel so good on the lips. If you've never tried Urban Decay's Comfort Matte formula. Please try it. It's so good. It's so creamy and comfortable. It's comfortable. I get made fun of on how I say comfortable. But anyways, so that was Bun Bun. Also really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all the colors on my arm so you guys can see what all the shades look like. So yeah, let's get into that.
Voices in my head, know me, call me, I will be restless, somehow they chose me, this is my nightlife, wanna be high life, I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and liked the look that I came up with. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, Jesi Jes, and of course Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. And if you're not subscribed already to my channel, please do before you go. I appreciate it so very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!